Hello and welcome back to another travel vlog. So here I am at Margaret Chocolate Factory located in Western Australia. So it's a very great place for the chocolate enthusiasts. So let's explore this place. Sounds really good. And here it is. And it's such a lovely place. There are lots of great places here in the southernmost part of the Western Australia, the Margaret River Chocolate Company. So there are lots of great places we have explored here in near to the Busselton and Donsburg. It's really another interesting place. Let's get inside. So okay, Choka Quaka. So let's explore the chocolates over here. So there are a lot of great chocolates available here. So there are different varieties like the dark chocolates, white milk chocolate, and white chocolate. So there are gift packs and some chocolate syrups and other stuffs. Looks quite good. Packaging, everything has been really premium over here. So yeah. And what we have explored is the chocolates are kind of expensive over here within the generic market. So you can see there are lots of the Australian map on the chocolates and white chocolates over here. So it's a heaven for the chocolate enthusiast. You can explore a lot of chocolates over here. And not just the chocolate, there are lots of stuff other than chocolates. The other new protein bars, and you can see over here there are some cups and mugs, all the gift stuffs, and the dark chocolate, the white chocolate, and the milk chocolate. And we have some desserts and ice cream. You can see over here. So it's a great place to hang out with your family, friends. And here are some cakes and desserts. Wow, sounds really yummy. And the ambience has been really awesome over here. You can see that it's all about nature and all around green and trees. So beautiful. So all around it's a great place to hang out with your family and friends. And for the chocolate lovers, it's a all absolute paradise. And so we are exiting from here now. Hope you like this video useful. So stay tuned for more different vlogs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye.